I think you may have a new toy to play with.
I think I do.
Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this brushless impact wrench. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Look at how cool this is. Comes with 2 batteries, which is pretty awesome. Click right in there. Oh, look at that. Is that a light that's on? Oh, so that's the light to let you know the battery, but then it also has a light on the unit itself. Holy cow. Wow. Okay.
And then I can show you the impacty part of it, I guess.
Okay, yeah, show us the impact part of it. Ready?
So it's just going to be loud.
Okay. Oh. Oh, that's cool.
That's probably pretty good. I like that little extra hook.
Yeah.
Hang it on your belt. Or
Yeah, hang it on your belt, or hang it in your garage, or hang it on near whatever you're working on. That's pretty cool. Should we go test it on a lug nut on the Jeep?
I mean, that's kind of what it would be best used for.
All
So
right, let's go give it a test. I do like that it comes with a bunch. These are all different sizes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it comes with all different sizes of these. Wow, those are heavy. That's sturdy. All right, now I got to pick this up.
It's heavy.
Holy cow. Yeah, that's sturdy. I love that it comes in this case, too.
Yeah, I really do like the case and the batteries and the charger. Everything just
fits
stays
right
right
in
the case.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
All right, let's take it outside and give it a test. All right, so I recently got new tires on my Jeep, and they did tell us that we're supposed to do this.
Tighten them?
Yeah, they said to make sure.
I'm going to try to loosen them.
You can loosen them first, yeah.
And then I'll use a torque.
Oh, yeah.
That worked pretty good.
Okay, got it right off.
I mean, yeah.
Nice.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'll try this one.
Considering it's bad, because aren't these normally they're used with like an air compressor?
Yeah, same thing. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is battery operated.
But this one's
so you
battery
got
operated.
hose.
No air
Yep.
compressor, no hose, no nothing.
Yeah, that took that one right off too.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Do you approve?
I approve.
Right.
That's nice. I like it.
Sweet. All right, if you guys are looking for a great impact wrench, battery operated, comes with 2 batteries, Jamie approves.